NiteRider Lumina 1200 Boost USB Rechargeable Bike Light. The NiteRider Lumina 1200 Boost USB Rechargeable Bike Light is an exceptional product that offers a reliable and powerful lighting solution for cyclists of all levels. With its sleek design and impressive features, this bike light is a must-have for those who prioritize safety and visibility during their nighttime rides. One of the standout features of the NiteRider Lumina 1200 Boost is its brightness. With a maximum output of 1200 lumens, this bike light provides excellent illumination, allowing you to see clearly even in the darkest conditions. Whether you're riding on poorly lit roads or exploring off-road trails, the Lumina 1200 Boost ensures that you have a clear view of your surroundings. The USB rechargeable feature is another aspect that sets this bike light apart. Gone are the days of constantly buying and replacing batteries. The Lumina 1200 Boost can be easily charged using a USB cable, making it convenient, and poorly lit roads or exploring off-road trails, the Lumina 1200